Well, hello and good morning from Toulouse International Airport. Last night I stayed at the Radisson Blu Hotel, which you can see here. This is my room, a little bit messy, but I got here late last night. I was flown in by Airbus from Birmingham. I flew via Paris Charles de Gaulle Airport, and the flights weren't too bad. I mean, I've flown Air France economy on short haul before, and you get food, the legroom isn't too shabby, and yeah, I was booked in economy flex, and one thing I really like about Air France is that economy flexible tickets get priority boarding with Sky priority, so yeah, that's a fantastic perk. Today, it's a very packed day, and we'll be visiting the Airbus delivery centre where TAP Portugal will be receiving their first A330neo aircraft. Now, I'm really excited for this, as I haven't seen the A330neo before, so this will be actually the first time that I see the aircraft, and yeah, I can't wait to get involved and see what today has to offer. Now, if you've seen any of my videos before, you'll know that I don't shoot with a phone, I shoot with a GoPro. Today, something different is happening. So, this is my new phone, the OnePlus 6. Really like it, and one thing that I absolutely love about it is that it shoots in 60 frames a second 4K video. Now, if you have no idea what that means, it basically means it shoots in the top quality video possible. Now, I thought, why not give it a go to actually film today on it, edit the video like I normally would with a GoPro, and see how it looks. So today I'm going to be filming only on this phone.
The Radisson Blu Hotel in Toulouse is always an absolute honour to stay at. The night before the event, we were treated to a lovely dinner. The food was excellent, really amazing. I went for a large chicken Caesar salad for a starter, and then a burger for my main course. I have to say the burger was incredibly cooked, but I couldn't finish it. After dinner, I headed upstairs, took a bath, and went to bed, knowing that we had an extremely early start the next day. The next morning, we were taken by bus directly from the Radisson Blu Hotel to the Airbus delivery centre. I absolutely love being here, as you can see all the aircraft that are soon to be delivered to carriers across the world. Here, for instance, you can see a China Southern Airbus A330neo. Now, if you haven't seen my video already, you'll know that I'm not a huge fan of China Southern. The link to that flight from hell is in my description. Something I love about the Airbus Delivery Centre is the attention to detail and all the decoration. For instance, on this wall you can see pictures from hundreds and hundreds of Airbus deliveries. Unfortunately, they were cut off halfway along, but these pictures go all the way across the wall. Last time I was here, I loved looking at them. This model airport is another awesome feature of the Airbus Delivery Centre. You can see A330s, A320s, A380s. I was even tempted to ask for one of the models to take home for myself. We were then taken around the Airbus A330 final assembly line, which was incredible. It was the first time I was able to visit a factory here in Toulouse, and our tour guide was very passionate. He talked to us all about different aspects of building the plane, how long it takes, what kind of material they use, and any other questions that we had. He was amazing and answered every single one of them. We were able to walk around and take photos and videos at all of the aircraft, which was amazing. After our tour of the factory, we headed back to the media room to hear all about the aircraft, why it was better than the old A330 and how it compared to the 787s, which was very interesting.
Both transformational for Airbus and transformational for TAP Air Portugal, which is the first delivery today of the A330-900.
But then we did exactly what we do best. We drank some champagne. After a small wait, we headed upstairs where guests of TAP Portugal and media from around the world had gathered to see the official delivery ceremony. It really was incredible to see how many people were invited to this event. And did you see the decoration on those steps? Yes, very, very cool. As people gathered inside, the balcony door was opened and it was our first opportunity to head outside and have a look at the incredible aircraft sitting there on the tarmac.
This is such an amazing feeling. So I haven't been at the Airbus delivery centre since the Qatar Airways A350-1000 delivery, and I remember standing right up here taking photos of the aircraft, and it's exactly the same. But today there's no A350 behind me, it's an A330neo, and it's the A330neo of TAP Portugal. I'm really excited to get on board. I want to see what's inside as I haven't actually seen the aircraft yet, but so far I'm having an awesome day here at Airbus.
The engines were turning in the wind as I admired it, and we were called inside just as I was standing there looking at it for the delivery ceremony, where I'll be quiet and I'll let you watch, as this really was quite some ceremony. The woman hosting this ceremony really was very annoying, so I'll skip that and I'll show you who was speaking at this event.
For choosing the A330neo-900 and to congratulate you on becoming the first airline to fly this new aircraft.
Collaboration today. Back to the A330. As far as we can see at Rolls-Royce, the A330 was a pioneering aircraft.
It's because you couldn't imagine to be in an industry that is more exciting, more innovative, and an industry that has created friendships through decades.
This is a great, spectacular day for Portugal and for GB. And I would like to start saying thank you for our clients, our customers, and our people, our crew members, our mechanics, everyone in the team. Everything we do is for our people and our customers, and I would like to tell you how proud they are to be the launching customer of such a great plane.
The memento from Airbus to TAP Air Portugal.
They then showed how the aircraft was built. It was a video developed by Airbus, and it really was amazing. After the aircraft had been unveiled, we were allowed a full tour of the Airbus A330neo. To see the full tour of this plane, including a tour of business class and economy class, see the link in my description. Next up, we were able to walk freely around the plane on the ground.
How cool is this? So I'm currently stood underneath the Airbus A330neo. And look at this, it's actually not that tall. I can't even walk under it without ducking. What a novelty this is though. I actually get to stand with the aircraft, get to walk around it up close and personal. And here as well, we've got the undercarriage, which are surprisingly large. Did you know that they come up to almost my chest and I'm 6'2"?
And I'd never seen an Airbus Beluga take off before, so seeing this was really, really cool. To finish off the event, we headed inside for a cocktail before heading back to Toulouse Airport, where I flew home back to London.